Good morning, everybody. We are Wednesday, November 4th, and we are looking at percent change today. Percent change. It should be an easier topic, not as much going on. However, we got to put this on top of what we've already been talking about. So let's review real quick. We've got 24 is what percent of 30? So anytime we do this, we need a part over whole, right? Anytime we have to find a percent, you need a part and a whole. That's the key. So my part is 24 over 30. So when I divide that out, (24) divided by 30, I get 0.8, which is 80%. All right, so that's the key here. Anytime I calculate a percent, I need a part and a whole. So today with percent change, you need a part and a whole. Just got to think through carefully, what is my part, what is my whole? So let's say that yesterday I had $10, today I have $15. So what is the percent change? So the part in this case will be the change or the difference. And then this would be the original. Okay, so part is the change over the original. So we got a $5 difference between the 2 days, right? And I started with the 10, that was the original. So now I divide that out and I get 50%. So it's a 50% increase in what I did, or what the money I had yesterday. Let's say that we had a fish tank that started with, we'll say 50 gallons. And we noticed there was a small leak. After a week, we have lost, we'll say we're down to 43 gallons. So we would say difference, it's my part, difference of 7 between there, so we've lost 7 gallons over the original. Well, we started with 50. So we're going to go 7 divided by 50. That's 0.14, which would be, with the decimal 2 places to the right, 14%. Now this one's a decrease because I lost it. It went down. Okay. And then the last one is a percent error. Still the same thing. We've got to find the percent by doing a part and a whole. So let's say that I was guessing that there were 25 kids. My guess was that there was going to be 25 kids in my class. Well, there was actually 30 kids in my class. So what percent was I off? So percent error, the part, I need a part and a whole. And so the part would be how the difference still, how much I'm off. So that is still, I will change this, we'll write difference over actual. Okay, so the difference is still 5 here, right? We still do that the same. Now it's not the original, it's the actual. So the actual in this case is 30. So I'm going to go 5 divided by 30. That's 0.16 repeating, with the 6 repeating. So if I move my decimal over, I would have another 6 over here because it's repeating. So if I round, and it'll say sometimes to round to the nearest whole number or tenth, that would be a 17%. That means my guess was off 17%. Okay, so very similar, just we're using some different terminologies, and we're using the part and the whole concept to help us solve real life problems. All right, Quiz Friday tomorrow, our Google Live Meet will give you a sneak peek at that if you are ready to go. Make sure to check in on that. Have a good one, everybody.